Are you seeking a dynamic affiliate marketing system and program to build a successful online business and generate more income? If so, you're in the right place. Our affiliate marketing program offers a complete solution to help you achieve your goals. Unlike programs that only suggest products or services, we provide everything you need to succeed, from great products and programs to a complete business solution with marketing, sales automation systems, tailor-made affiliate management, and ongoing business coach support. But that's not all. Our advanced B2B2C model allows you to market directly to your target audience, including business owners and online marketing entrepreneurs with a client base and resources. This collaborative approach also provides business owners and online marketers with a total solution to create their digital asset products and affiliate marketing program, with the added benefit of being able to market their program through our affiliate network channel. Plus, our dynamic team building system allows you to build your network team and grow your business for passive income. And with the help of our experienced business coaches, entrepreneurs, business owners, and digital marketing expert, you'll have the support and guidance you need to build a successful business with growing capability and valuation. Here are some key features to highlight. Marketing and sales automation. The advanced B2B2C model allows for targeting a direct audience and business clients. The B2B model will enable them to create and market their program through our network channel. Team building for passive income. Collaboration with experienced coaches and marketing experts. Total business solution approach. Join our affiliate marketing program today and discover the total solution to building your successful online business. Visit our Affiliate Economy Hub website now to learn more.